Hello students, today we are going to learn about number systems. So before going into that, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also don't forget to press on the bell icon for all the reminders from my channel. So keep supporting because I am putting much effort for this. So here we are going to learn about natural numbers. First, the chapter name is number systems, and we are going to learn about natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are counted numbers. In our daily life we count numbers. If we go to a shop, then if we our parents recommend us to buy a count of items, so we buy items regarding to that count. So natural numbers are those numbers which are used for counting. So they are used for counting. Like example 1, 2, 3 and etc. It will go beyond infinity. There is not only 1, 2, 3, it will go beyond infinity. And like we have seen that 1 is the least natural number. 1 is the least natural number. Natural numbers are starting from 1. Then it go beyond, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that natural numbers are going. Okay, let's go to another topic, that is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by itself and by only 1. Which can be it. In other words, we can say that it does not have other divisor except for itself and unity. Unity means 1. That is, prime numbers divisors are 1 and itself. Let's take an example. Here, lowest prime number is 2. Let's take the example of 2. If we look into 2, we will see that 2 can be divided by itself, or 2 can be divided by 1 also. There are 2 possible ways for dividing 2. There is none other way for dividing 2. These are the 2 possible ways. Like it can be divided by itself, or it can be divided by unity or 1. So that is prime number. That is prime number. It can be divided by itself or by 1. That is the prime number. So I am repeating, natural numbers are counted numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and go on. Least natural number is 1. Prime numbers are those numbers that it does not have any other divisor except for itself and unity. That means it can be divided by itself or by 1. Lowest prime number is 2, and also Even prime number is also 2. Even prime number is 2, and lowest even prime number is 2. It is so accurate. And lowest odd number is 3. So this point should be kept in mind. It is useful, and these number systems are also useful for CAT exams. So it is very necessary for the students who are prepared for CAT, and these are the base that we are learning from. I think we are learning it from 6th standard onwards. So we can move into the next chapter. If you want the notes, you can copy it, you can capture a screenshot, or otherwise you can write it in your notebook. Okay, so let's move into the next topic. Okay, our next topic is how to check whether a number is prime or not. How will you check that? What is the shortcut for checking whether a number is prime or not? So you have to look into that, and using shortcuts is very important for competitive exams like CAT, or you are preparing for bank PO exam. Then it is very beneficial for studying the shortcut for finding the prime numbers. So here we learn about that. First, we are given a number 47. I am taking this number as n. So I am taking this number as n. So first of all, we have to take the square root of this number. I am repeating. First, we have to take the square root of this number that is given. This number, this is the number we have to find whether it is prime or not. So we have to take the square root of the number. So here the square root, I am saying just not an accurate value, but I am saying a rough value. It lies between the, I think it lies between the 6 or lies between 6 to 7. The square root of this number lies between 6 to 7. It lies between these two numbers, because square root root 36 is 6 and root 49 is 7. So it lies between, so the root of 47 lies between these numbers. It lies between these numbers. So then we have to take a round of the square root to the immediately high integers. So we have to take the higher value. So we know that the square root of this number lies between these numbers, so we have to take the higher number. So we are taking 7. So we are taking 7. I am calling this number as Z. I am calling this number as Z. That is the second step. Moving into this third step, check for the divisibility of this number for prime numbers below this number. we have to check the divisibility of this number below the prime numbers by all the prime numbers below z. Here it is given that we have to check the divisibility of number L by all the prime numbers below z. Here z is 7, so we have to check the divisibility of the number n for all prime numbers below z. So below z or below 7 we have the prime numbers 2, 3, 5. These are the prime numbers below 7. So we have to check the divisibility of these prime numbers for this number n. So 47 divided by 2, it is not perfectly divisible by 2, and also 47 divided by 3, it is also not perfectly divisible by 3, and also 47 divided by 5, it is also not perfectly divisible by 5 also. So we conclude that this 47 is prime. This is the shortcut for checking whether a number is prime or not. If you capture this 3 step, then you can solve the problems very fast. So next we are going to solve some of the problems in the next part of the video. We are solving the question related to this topic. So thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.